The Los Altos Art Docents are a group of trained volunteers who go into the classroom when the classroom teacher is there to teach art to the students in our district.
And see how I'm moving my plate?
Art brings in another side of the brain, and they are able to really create things that are amazing and explore different materials that they normally wouldn't get at home or in the school environment.
Dip it in the water and squeeze it again.
We teach a wide variety of art, including art appreciation lessons and hands-on lessons, and we include a lot of different media: watercolor, clay, printmaking, drawing, cut paper.
They fit a lot into one lesson.
Drop some blue in and see what happens.
They use lesson plans that have been tested in the classroom, and so they make sure that the kids really enjoy them.
It's the First Amendment. What's the First Amendment talk about? Do you guys know?
So today we were discussing modern American art, and we were talking about art that speaks, so art that sends a message to you, art that's trying to elicit some sort of emotional response.
You can use multiple colors.
After that, they created their own hands-on component. The freedom to express yourself and to be creative without these boundaries, I think is just so great for the mind, and I think kids really benefit from that.
Through the Art Docents and projects around that, I've really learned to love art and the creativity that comes along with that.
Do you see any white spots on the carpet?
Yeah.
Art is very well rounded, and it creates people who are creative and thoughtful. The techniques you learn are great for motor skills, intellectual development, and when you go in, you are trying to help them learn something, but also to help everybody have a lot of fun.